How to use security checkup feature on Instagram. It's an easy process, so let's start. So first of all, open your Instagram app and don't forget to update your app from your Play Store or App Store. And then go to the profile and then click to the three-dot menu. After that, click to the settings and privacy options. After that, just you can see lots of options. Just find the security options. So here you can see account center. So after that, just you can see everything here. So click to the passwords and security options, and then you can see lots of security checks options. So here you can see the second option is security checks. So here you can see where you will login alerts, recent email, security checkup. So when you click to this page, just you can see your passwords, email, phone number, or two-factor authentication. So you can change everything here. So you can change also passwords, emails, phone number, and two-factor authentication. So that's the process how you can use security checkup feature on Instagram. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.